Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about pseudo conjunctions. Let's get started. Remember that conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, clauses, or sentences together. As in the example over here, Susan is an amazing wife and a wonderful mom. Now, pseudo-conjunctions are other parts of speech that act like conjunctions. Let's have a look at those pseudo-conjunctions. A. Adverbial conjunctions, which are also called conjunctive adverbs, are used to indicate a relationship between sentences and independent clauses by comparing or contrasting ideas. For example, consequently, finally, however, otherwise, then, etc. Remember that we usually use commas to separate an adverbial conjunction from the rest of the sentence. Have a look at the example over here. John's mom wanted him to go to college. Instead, he took a gap year and traveled around the world. Now, the adverbial conjunction instead in the sentence is used to indicate the relationship between the first sentence and the second, contrasting what John's mom wanted him to do and what John actually did. B. Nominal conjunctions introduce or conclude ideas. For example, the moment, the instant, etc. Now, nominal conjunctions function as a noun in a sentence. Have a look at the example over here. I was petrified the moment I heard the news. The nominal conjunction, the moment, in this sentence is used to introduce the idea, I heard the news. C. Verbal conjunctions are used to introduce additional information in a sentence. Examples of verbal conjunctions are assuming that, given that, etc. Note that verbal conjunctions are derived from verbs. Have a look at the example over here. Shall we go out tonight, assuming that you are free? Now, the verbal conjunction in this sentence, assuming that, is used to introduce additional information. You are free. Here is a short story using pseudo-conjunctions. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. It's too hot today. I'm melting. Given that you don't have an AC at your place, you'll be boiling soon. Indeed, I'm quite close to that. However, I'm trying to eat watermelons to stay cool. Does it help? Yeah. In fact, I'll be a watermelon myself soon.